Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're coming to you from beautiful Highlands County, Florida. We are in central Florida. We are in the town of Sebring, and the lot right behind me is 8225 Domenico Street here in Sebring, Florida. It is a .24 of an acre. It's going to be 83 foot across the front and back, 125 foot down either side. Makes this a 10,375 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Sun and Lake Estates. The taxes on this lot are extremely low at $53.44. It is a well and septic property. As you can see, we do have a beautiful paved road right here. The county does maintain the easements on this property as well. We do have power actually one block over and looks like about 500 yards down the street here. We have power right there. So if you were going to build on this property, it wouldn't take much at all to get the power brought here. And you'll see in the drive around, there's a majority of these roads in here are all paved. You got a lot of beautiful new homes in this area. The Sun and Lake Estates here, this is considered the newer portion of the Sun and Lake Estates, and it's definitely the urban sprawl is slowly coming out here. You can see there's not a whole lot of homes in this small subdivision here, but there are new ones, and they're all within the last 5 or 6 years. And the location of this whole community is outstanding. You're just 5 minutes to our east is going to be US 27. That'll be your main thoroughfare that runs north and south through Highlands County. That'll take you right up into the Orlando area. About an hour, 15 minutes from this location, you could be at the Disney World, at Universal Studios, the whole amusement center that they have up there in Orlando. Also, another 3 minutes just out the road here, out then down the road, you're going to have the Sun and Lake Golf Club. That's just, like I said, 3 minutes down the road. We'll show you that in the drive around. But if you wanted to build a home here, get yourself a golf cart, put your clubs in, and take off driving down to the club, you'll be there in 3 to 4 minutes from this location. You'll see that as we drive around and show you that. Also, if you are into racing, you're about 25 minutes just southeast of the Sebring Raceway. They do have the 24 Hours of Sebring there. They have a lot of Le Mans races there as well. So you definitely got to check out the schedule there. If you're a race enthusiast, you definitely want to check that out. Again, like I said, you're just an hour and 15 minutes up to north of the Disney area. And again, if you win this property at auction tonight and you want to fly in, take a look at the raceway, go to the Disney World for a couple days, come down here and check out the lot and check out the community here in the Sun and Lake, maybe play some golf at the golf course there. You want to fly into the Lakeland Linder International Airport. That's just an hour north of us here, up 27. You can be at this property within an hour and to take a look at it. As you look behind me, it does grade down and then grades back up just probably about a foot or two. But you can see this is a lot of this is overgrown, so we're not going to be able to get back into it. We did get a lot of drone footage and a lot of low drone footage around the property, but you can see you got a lot of palm trees in here, a lot of smaller pine trees in here, but it looks like definitely just not gonna it's not gonna look very good on film. So we did get some good drone footage of it, and we'll show you that, and you'll see that in the presentation as well. Again, we're at 8225 Domenico Street here in Sebring, Florida, in the subdivision of Sun and Lake Estates. You do have 2 golf courses to choose from. Again, just a couple minutes up the road, about 5 minutes up the road here, they have a brand new hospital up there. It's called Advent Health Community. It's not brand new, it's newer. I'd say probably within the last 10 to 15 years. Beautiful complex up there, and you have multiple medical facility or buildings and offices and doctors all around that community, and you're just 5 minutes up the road from there. So if you have any medical issues that you need to attend to and you want to come down here and use this as a snowbird's nest, you're just 5 minutes up the road to really well-established medical facility and doctors up there as well. So let's go ahead and show you the 83 foot across the front of your lot here, and we'll see you there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just showed you the 83 foot across the front here of Domenico. As you can see, the lot behind me, it's definitely a lot overgrown. We're definitely not going to be able to get on it, but you can see there's a minimal amount of trees here. It looks like there was some type of a fire here probably within the last 2 or 3 years. Kind of cleaned out the underbrush, but you can see it's definitely coming back very well. You definitely got a lot of palm trees on here as well. So it doesn't take, I don't think it would take too much to get this thing cleaned up. But you definitely got a beautiful level lot here to build on. The property we're showing you here is 8225 Domenico Street here in Sebring, Florida, in the county of Highlands. And we're in the subdivision of Sun and Lake Estates. Beautiful golfing community here. And you got a lot of new construction going on here. You got a lot of villas being built right just not 3 minutes up the road from you here. You got the golf club just a couple minutes up the road as well. 5 minutes up the road from here, you're going to have the US 27. That's your main thoroughfare. It'll have all your shopping and your dining, your super Targets, your super Walmart. Everything that you need is just right there. You're 3 minutes from the Sun and Lake Estates Golf Club, like I said. You're about 25 minutes from the Sebring Raceway, which has the awesome 24 hours of Sebring race. That's a great endurance race. If you've never seen that, you definitely got to check that out. And again, you're just 1 hour and a half just south of the Orlando amusement park area, Disney, Universal Studios, any of those things that you want to see. The MGM is just right at hour 15 north of us here. And again, you have the Highland Hammock State Park just south of us too, about 20 minutes. So if you like to go hike and bike and do some bird watching, you got the Highlands Hammock State Park just south of us here, about 25 minutes as well. And if you win this property at auction tonight and you want to fly in, take a look at it, take a look at all the everything that the Highlands County has to offer. You want to fly into the Lakeland Linder International Airport. That's just an hour north of us here. You can be here within an hour to take a look at and take advantage of this beautiful Central Florida community here. Again, we're at 8225 Domenico Street, Sebring, Florida, here in the beautiful Sun and Lake Estates community. It's a .24 of an acre. 83 foot across the front and back, 125 foot down either side. Makes this a 10,375 square foot buildable lot here in beautiful Sun and Lake Estates. It is the taxes on this lot are outstandingly low at $53.44 a year. That's all it takes for this property. You win this at auction tonight. All you have to do is pay your taxes every year, and that is it. There's no time limit to build. There's no maintenance required. The county maintains the easements here. Probably once a month they come through here and mow each side of this property here, of the street here. So you don't have to do anything. Just pay your taxes at $53.44 a year, and just wait for it to appreciate, or come down here and start building the house and enjoy the beautiful community here, as you'll see in the drive around. It is a well and septic property, so you definitely got to put a well in once you do that. Sooner or later, I'm sure they'll probably bring the water out to this community here. The more homes that come into the community here, they're going to bring the city water out here in the city sewer. But who knows when that's going to be. Again, we're at 8225 Domenico Street, Sebring, Florida. Beautiful .24 of an acre buildable lot here in the Sun and Lake Estates. Good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.